What's up, racing fam? I hope everybody's having a blessed day out there. As you can see, we are in the Frostbite trailer, and we got Frostbite behind me, and we got Frostbite taken apart a little bit because we got bigger new injectors, baby, from the one and only FIC. We got the big Kahuna injectors to put in Frostbite because we have maxed out the 1200cc injectors. So we got new bigger injectors. So stay tuned. We're gonna get these dudes swapped out and see what we got. So yep, here is old Frostbite hanging out in the race trailer. We are getting ready to head out next month for race number 3 for the modern Hemi shootout, and we are currently still in first place in the 10-0 class. I plan to hopefully keep it that way, but we need some more injector. As you guys know, we are running the FIC 1200cc fuel injectors currently, and we have maxed out those dudes. My injector duty cycle is literally like 115% injector duty cycle. Before I would actually like to shift it, that's kind of shifting early, and that's kind of why we've been stuck hanging around the 950s for our PBs, because we're literally out of injector. So that is not going to be the case anymore. We're going to have plenty of injector. We got plenty of fuel system. We've had plenty of fuel system. As you guys know, we run 3 pumps. We got a triple pump set up in our fuel cell with a 10 AN fuel line on E85, and we got plenty of fuel. We just need bigger injectors. So let's check out these injectors. Bear with me. I got my generator running because we got the air conditioner over here. It is freaking stupid hot over here in Georgia. We are over 90 degrees and the humidity is stupid. So that is what is up with the noise in the background. But here is our brand new set of FIC injectors from Fuel Injector Clinic. These are the best injectors, I believe. I have tried other injectors. I actually had issues with other injectors. I have never had an issue with anything that I have bought from FIC. So this is our brand new injector, or injectors should I say, and they are going to be massive compared to what we are running currently. So I know you guys want to know what we got. So we went up from 1200cc to 2150. These are the 2150s, and that is literally almost double the injector that we currently have. So we should have plenty of fuel for many changes down the road if we want to turn things up even more. You know that's probably going to happen. Winter time's around the corner. We're going to beat that 957, and we're going to see hopefully what old Frostbite can do when we get better air and we got all the fuel that we need with these new injectors. So we're going to turn some things up, and it's going to get spicy. So there you have it. That's the new mod, or should I say the change that we're going to do to Frostbite before the next race. It is a much needed change to happen. Now I can quit crossing my fingers that we run out of fuel going down the track, and know that I'm safe with plenty of fuel and room to grow on this new set of injectors. And again, I have had nothing but awesome, tremendous luck and service with Fuel Injector Clinic injectors. So if you're looking for fuel injectors, I highly, highly, highly recommend them. They have never steered me wrong. And the reason I'm using Fuel Injector Clinic is because way back in the past when we built Frostbite and we converted it to the supercharger setup and we got away from nitrous, I had a different set of injectors in this truck, and we could not get them right. They just did not act like they were supposed to be. They did not tune worth a crap. So That's why I spent the money and I went with Fuel Injector Clinic, and since then I have never had any issue out of any of their injectors. We've had a set of 650s in this truck. They were flawless. We currently have the 1200s, like I said. They're flawless. We've just maxed them out. Nothing wrong with the injector, but we have just maxed out what those injectors can do, so that is why we got the 2150s right now. And we have 650s in my son's car, Zorro, the black Challenger, and that car runs great, and those injectors are giving us no issues at all. So that's why I highly recommend them. If you are looking for injectors and you don't want any headaches, I highly recommend Fuel Injector Clinic. So that's it today. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Comment down below what you think. Comment down below what you think Frostbite is going to run for a PB now that we're going to have plenty of injector to really let this thing rev a little higher. Comment down below what you think it's going to run. Until next time, stay safe out there, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Comes your 10-0 winner. Yeah! That's your 10-0 winner right there. That's what I'm talking about.
Hell yeah! Man, I thought I let it time it too fast.
Oh! 10-01.
Damn, I thought I went too fast.
That 10-0 winner.
Hell yeah! Hell yeah, I'm shaking, dude.